Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change screen mode in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to change screen mode, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display here, just tap on it. And here, just scroll down and you'll get the screen mode here, just tap on it. And here you will get two screen modes. There's a vivid and the natural. Just select natural and your screen will be natural just like that. If you have selected vivid, you can easily customize it from here. Here's the white balance, warm and cool. You can easily select which one you want. And here's the advanced settings. Here you can easily control your RBG, red, green and blue colors. You can easily customize them on which you want. Here's the vividness, just customize if you want. So in this way you can easily change your screen mode in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.